Hey, salam alaikum shadamutas. This is Donna Alotaibi, and I'm gonna be doing a McDonald's mukbang and a unboxing of my purse. I wanted this bag for a whole 2 days, and I was like, you know what? Stop thinking about it and just do it. So today, why am I out of breath? Oh my god. So today I woke up and I was like, okay, cool. I work 8 o'clock until 12, and then after 12 I'm gonna go to the beach and day drink, and then my friend canceled on me, so I was like kind of down. So I got my purse and now I feel better. Let me put my purse over here. There you go. So whenever you buy stuff from Gucci or whatever, they like box your stuff in the back room, and it kind of makes me like nervous because I'm like, are you even putting it in the box or not? Are you even putting it in the bag or not? You know, so you just gotta trust them. And then one time when I was like new at, you know, buying luxury stuff and all whatever, I they packed it for me, and then I unpacked it in the store, and then I packed it again myself. I don't know why, because you know, like, you spend so much money, like you just want your, like, you just want to know 100% with your own eyeballs that it's there. So I should really be on a diet, but I'm not. But I should really be on my diet because my album comes out in January. It's gonna be on all the platforms, iTunes and Spotify and all that. So I should really be on a diet because I obviously am gonna have to make music videos. So I need to get my shit together. I need to lose 20 pounds, yes. 20 is not 50 pounds, but it's hard. I'm really chicken nuggets. And I also got some mayonnaise. Hold on, let me see if I can, like, I want you guys to see what I'm eating, like all mukbangers. Okay, I'll figure that out. Next mukbang, you will see all of what I'm eating. So, oh, that's better. But I feel like you're so far away. But I guess that's fine. And look at this mayonnaise, like, okay. So, when I went to get my bag, I was gonna park in this garage that I always park in. Ew. I was gonna park my car in this garage that I always park in, but I was like driving and I passed the Gucci store, and the garage is like 6 blocks down. I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna walk like 6 blocks. Like, what the heck? So let me find street parking. So I was driving, and I found parking like 2.5 blocks away. I was like, okay, that's cool. So I parked there, and I was like, kind of skeptical because I have to walk back with this bag in my hand. Like, you never know, and then Hawaii has like a huge homeless people problem. So I was kind of nervous about that. I was like, okay, I'm gonna walk, I'm gonna wait until there's nobody around me before I cross the street. I'm gonna run to my car. Like, should I have worn my black Air Forces on? Like, so yeah, I don't know why I got this. Literally, I spent $150. Like, everything in Hawaii is so expensive. I spent $150 on food. And I was like, you know what? This is gonna last me for like 2 whole weeks. And now I'm over here like buying McDonald's and shit. And I don't even like French fries. Okay, I think we're Gucci. Literally. And I seriously need to go on a diet, guys. Like, I don't want to be a fat artist. I just don't want to be that. Like, no shame to the fat artists out there. It's just not me. I don't have that confidence, and I don't want to have that confidence to be a Lizzo. I don't want to be Lizzo or Adele. I know she's skinny now, but like, when I was really fat, like, this guy told me that he likes me a lot because he really likes Adele. And I was like, that's not what I wanted to hear. But whatever. Okay, so y'all ready? We're gonna unbox my Gucci. Oh my god. Alright, this bag will go over there. My Gucci bag will go over here. Oh my god! So whenever you go to Gucci here in Honolulu, this is like for real. This is not like me BSing or anything like that. So every luxury bag, like Gucci and Louis Vuitton and Chanel, it's a little bit cheaper here in Hawaii. I know you're thinking like, how is that even possible? That doesn't make sense. Like everything is more expensive in Hawaii. But for real, like it is cheaper. Like online, this bag is like $2,050 or $80. In the store, it's $1,800 something. So like it is cheaper, like almost $200 cheaper. Plus tax and all that, like this bag came out to be like $2,000. And if I would have bought it anywhere else, it would have came out to be $2,200. So it is a lot cheaper. So if you ever go to Hawaii, buy your shit here. Also, I think things are a lot cheaper also in Italy because they don't have to do like the shipping stuff, you know? Yeah. Oh, here it is. Oops. Oh my god. Okay, so I have a lot of Gucci. I do, and I have a lot of Louis Vuitton, but I don't have one like this. This one is different. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So whenever you go in the store, right, there's gonna be somebody helping you. Like you don't just go roaming around. Some girl's gonna come help you, and 9 out of 10 times it's a Japanese girl. And the Japanese girl is so freaking old, and she's so freaking friendly, and she just like helps you, and any stupid thing that you say to her, like she'll respond to you like so kindly and everything. So it just feels so expensive, so luxury. Oh my god. Alexa, play Luxury or Luxurious by Gwen Stefani. Just kidding, I don't have an Alexa. Hey Siri! Look at the volume. Oh my god, hold on. I just got a really important email. What the hell? Why are people trying to hack me? Like, you guys are so stupid. Stop trying to hack me. Like, you guys are all jealous of me. Stop trying to hack me. Even if you hack me and delete my account, I'm just gonna make a new one. And when that one gets hacked and deleted, I'm just gonna make a new one, You can never end me. Stop trying to end me. Gucci. When that's very me inside the, oh my god. You know, every single time I say oh my god, it reminds me of one time when I was in DC, and I told this guy comes up to me, and I was like, oh my god, and he was like, oh my god, what? Oh my god, you're ugly. Oh my god, you're fat. Oh my god, what? And I was like, I didn't say anything besides oh my god. But like, I bet he heard that before, and like people have definitely said ugly things to him because I was literally gonna say really, really ugly things to him. And I remember another time I was in DC and I was about to get arrested, and this guy comes up to me, and I told him, oh my god, go away. I don't really like guys with, and the popo was listening, like, what racist thing is this girl gonna say? And I was like, I don't really like guys with really ugly skin. By really ugly skin, I meant with acne. I didn't mean the color, I meant acne, because he had acne. And then he told me, oh, shut up, bitch, like, I could buy you and blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, okay. And then he walked away, and then the police released me, and then I walked away and got in my car, and I was driving home, and I see that guy who said he could buy me walking, and I'm like, what the heck, how can you buy me? You don't even have a car. But anyways, oh my god, I just spit on my bag. So my French fry got on my bag. Oh my god. Oh my god, I literally do not have a bag like this. Like, I was contemplating between getting the medium or the small one. This is the small one. I got the small one because I really have a lot of big bags. Like, I don't have a small bag. Just kidding. Oh my god. If you guys have heard of like the Real and Poshmark and stuff like that, like, I've been wanting to buy stuff on those websites. I just haven't found something I really like to buy on that website. But this is really pretty. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my god. Wow, this is so pretty. Obviously, like, I saw this bag like in the store and they didn't have the medium one, but I was like, you know what, this is okay. This is just as beautiful. Like, I think Allah wanted me to have the little one. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so cute. I want to get this thing off. Oh my god. And the lady who helped me was like such a sweetheart. Like, you could tell, like, even if I wasn't gonna buy anything, like, she was still gonna be really sweet to me. And I feel bad because, like, this other girl was like helping this other girl, and that other girl was like to the other girl and was like, I don't want to get this, and then she just walked out with nothing. And then I was like, so what the fuck? Like, when you go into the Gucci store, like, don't waste people's time. Like, you're in there, you know the price range, you know what you're in there for. If this ain't where you're supposed to be, then Michael Kors is at Ross. Oh, I have a cramp. Okay, can this, why the, okay, next time I'm gonna tell him to take all this shit out. I'm gonna be like, hey, once you run my card, take all this shit off. Okay, I thought I saw like a defect on it. Okay. Baby! Okay. Oh my god! This bag is so pretty. This bag is so pretty. It's so pretty. I can't wait. So I don't really do good with like crossbodies, but this is like, it's gonna be like a shoulder bag. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh my god, my nose is itching. Okay, so here's the bag. What the fuck? Here's the bag. You guys want to see what it looks like? Wait. Okay, let me drink some of this. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I literally don't have a bag like this. It's so pretty. And it like hits me. Let me like put the camera up a little bit. Okay. I'm out of breath. Okay, so you see the bag? It's so cute, right? Like, it hits me right where it's supposed to. I don't think I'll wear it crossbody because it looks dumb. I don't want to like show, I don't like to show the inside of my house. See, it looks dumb. But if you wear it like this, it looks cool, you know? Looks cool. And then another style that you can wear it is like this, which I think I'll also wear it like this because this is cute too. Yeah, it's cute. The medium one would have been like this and like that. But I think this one's really cute. It's cute. I like it. So yes, thank you everybody. Watch, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be way more active on my YouTube channel now that I just bought like my $700 camera. So please subscribe. I'm gonna have my Oni Hands link on my Instagram. So if anybody wants to be part of that, subscribe. This is so cute. So it has a little clasp and you can like look inside. It's cute. And it has like a little zipper. Let's see what color it's inside. Aw, it has my Gucci stuff. That's cute. Yeah. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Now I have a headache.